Every human being asks the same question. What am I here for? We chase success, fame, comfort, yet still feel a quiet emptiness inside. But across the world, millions are finding a peace they never knew before, a faith not of fear, but of purpose, discipline, and love. This is the story of Islam, not as it's portrayed, but as it truly is. At its heart, Islam is simple. One creator, the source of everything. No intermediaries, no confusion, just you and the one who made you. 5 prayers a day, each a pause. To breathe, to remember, to return. It's not about rules, it's about rhythm. A rhythm that brings peace to the soul. When people discover Islam, they often say the same thing. I found what I was searching for all my life. They're drawn not by force, but by clarity. In Islam, you don't lose yourself, you discover yourself. It gives you identity when the world wants you to be everything but you. It gives logic where the world gives noise. And it gives peace, not escape, but peace through connection with the Creator. For too long, Islam has been seen through a narrow lens: conflict, politics, noise. But beyond headlines, the real story is happening in quiet corners of the world, where Muslims feed the poor before feeding themselves, where neighbors care for neighbors, where peace isn't just a word, it's a way of life. The word Islam itself means peace, and the Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, taught, the best of people are those who bring the most benefit to others. That's the Islam billions live every day, and the world is just beginning to rediscover it. So why are millions embracing Islam today? Because it gives meaning when life feels empty, because it teaches patience in a world of instant gratification, because it connects science with spirituality, heart with reason. The Quran speaks about the expanding universe, the origin of life, the oceans and the stars, long before we discovered them. But beyond knowledge, it gives something more precious: inner stillness. If you've ever wondered what truth feels like, read. Not the headlines, not the hate, but the source itself. The Quran begins with one phrase: in the name of God, the most merciful, the most compassionate. That's the essence of Islam: mercy and compassion. You don't have to be born into it to belong to it. You just have to search with an open heart. The beauty of Islam isn't hidden. It's waiting to be seen. If this message touched your heart, explore it. Visit a mosque, talk to a Muslim, read the Quran for yourself, because truth doesn't need defending, it only needs discovering.